Welcome. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to change your phone number on Facebook. Whether you've switched carriers, got a new number, or just want to update your account details, this quick guide will help you do it in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once it's loaded, look to the top or bottom of your screen and tap the menu icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon. This will open up your main menu where you'll find all your account settings and shortcuts. Scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, then select Settings. From there, go ahead and tap Personal Information. This section is where all the details tied to your Facebook account are stored. Things like your name, email address, and phone number. Next, tap Contact Info. You'll now see your current phone number listed here. If you want to remove your old number first, simply tap on it and select the Remove option. Once that's done, tap Add New Number. Now, enter your new phone number carefully, making sure you've typed it correctly. When you're ready, tap Continue. Facebook may ask you to confirm the change by sending a verification code to that new number. Enter the code once you receive it, and you're all set. Your new phone number is now linked to your Facebook account. This ensures you'll be able to recover your account easily if you ever get locked out and keeps your information up to date for better security. It's that simple. Just a few taps and your contact info is refreshed. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tutorials to keep your digital life running smoothly. Thanks for watching.